Fellas, we're on our way to Tower of the Dragon. Oh my god, dude, these corners up here are sick, dude. I'm gonna put some cinematic footage up in here. But bro, we're riding with a bunch of people. They've got big boy Groms and they've got swapped Groms, and it is insane. Okay, that guy's putting his jacket on. That's one of the guys we've been riding with this whole trip. But dude, I'm getting so sideways in these. This is insane, man. This is so much fun. Like, this is the fastest I've ever recorded on a Grom too. Like, before the trip, my chicken strips weren't very big, but dude, they're like non-existent at this point. It's insane. Not gonna lie, the elevation and stuff plays like a huge role in the way the power delivery is. Like, not that this thing has a lot of power, but like, this thing is struggling in 5th gear. On the downhills, I'm eating these turns alive, man. Go let the rest of the group catch up. But dude, look at the views, man. Oh my god. That is sick. Okay. Fellas, we are back on the road now. Everybody's caught up. We got a group of like 14 people right now. This is insane, dude. The views are fucking amazing. The people are awesome. We got Grandpa. Devo! Everything good? There's a wreck right there. I don't know who went down. They're saying to slow down. Alright, I'm about to go for the overtake. Oh, he's fucking trying to get me to pass him inside. I do not like passing on the inside. Here we go. Alright, sorry Grams, but I'm not coming out here to look at the scenery. I'm here to rip it, brother. 9% decline, holy shit. Thank you, sir. Holy shit. I was going way too fast into that. Trail braking hard as fuck, dude. Oh my god. My Grom is backfiring so hard. Grom! This decline is insane. It's crazy how much like going downhill and then hitting a corner affects your speed, and like your lean angle and stuff is like gotta be on point, because you were just gonna keep going. You had too much brake, you're dead. I can't. I'll go on the next one. Oh, Devin's like, I wish I could talk to him. He's trying to signal for me to go around, but I kind of can't. Alright, I'm about to come around. Never mind. Oh, there he goes. Oh. Sorry, brother. I had to add some speed. Not too familiar with these guys, so I'm not sure how their riding style is compared to mine. They seem to be really fucking good riders though. Really need my GoPro to be okay for the Dragon, because that's what I'm most concerned about. Like, these turns are cool and everything, but like, I don't know, Tell the Dragon is the main goal right now. We're trying to race right now because there's rain in the forecast and everything, and we want to hit it before it rains, obviously, because, you know, we don't want to corner in the wet like that. Like, you can and everything, but it's got to be a lot slower and a lot smoother. And I don't think we have the skill level to do that, especially on the Dragon. not talking much, guys, but I'm really trying to concentrate so we don't go off the side of the hill or something. This is intense. Like I said, I've only been riding for about a little over a year now, so I'm not just, you know, the most experienced guy on the road, but dude, we are eating this up, man. At least I feel like we are. I'd love to have the CBR up here. I feel like this would be fun, but at the same time, I'm kind of glad I'm hitting on something where I don't have to worry about it, you know, overpowering and all that stuff. Yeah, I'll walk with you.
We're going to walk over here to see if they have those small bore rally Groms stickers. Yes.
Fellas, we made it to the Dragon. There's a R1.
How you like this bike? I like it.
Fiesta ST. Hell yeah, brother. Dude, it is deep out here right now, guys.
Okay, well, why don't you just come to one on Saturday?
Look at this guy. Oh my God, fellas. We're about to fucking hit it. Took care, people. I am a little nervous, not gonna lie. We're about to go straight into the Dragon, bro. This is scary. I've never hit anything quite like this because we don't have turns like that around where I live. Got us centered bad. But we got Devo behind me, Duran's in front of me, then Zach, and then Justin. Justin's got the big board Groms, so he's gonna be a good bit faster than we are. Oh my God, we're low. Oh my God, dude. This is the moment I have been waiting for the past 5 or 6 years since I figured out what Tail of the Dragon was. I cannot contain the excitement. Oh my God. Ooh, this is a sharp one. Our main goal is to survive, really. We realize our limits and stuff, so we're not trying to do any lap times or any records or any max risk type bullshit. We're coming out here to fucking kill it. Oh, I'm gonna have no chicken strips left by the end of this. But hopefully I'll evolve as a rider, because this is gonna be a hell of an experience. I like the fact that Duran's in front of me though, because me and him are kind of equal with the Groms, and I can pace myself off of him. Plus I'm getting good footage of him. Devin's a little bit behind us, he's lagging. I have no gear on right now either. It was just kind of dumb of me, but here's what it is. We'll be safe. Just so you fellas know, I love each and every single one of you. Y'all are my people. There's not a lot of y'all, but y'all are my fucking people. I may not talk a lot, but that's because I'm trying to focus on what's going on. This is incredible. We're on mile number 1. Put the bike engine brake for me. That's another thing, I gotta make sure I save my brakes because we will get brake fade. I'm still on my stock brakes that I bought the bike with, so. Oh, I felt wet something. Oh, there's a bimmer. Give him the oogle horn. Brother, we are shredding it right now. We gave Devin a bell too. There's Killboy. Too bad Cinnamon couldn't make it, man. I wish she could have, but the way that she broke, my bungee strap was hanging low. Almost got wrapped in my chain and my tire. That could have been really bad, dude. Oh, I'm kind of losing the pack, but that's okay. We're riding our own ride. Whenever I stress that you should not exceed what you think you're capable of, don't. This is it, dog. We're on the fucking dragon. I think we're slowing down to wait on Devin. Alright, we see him. Here we go, ripping. Bro, Zach's ripping this shit too. Trail brake. Get low. See through the corner. Miata! Holy shit, they're flying. Hell yeah! My man. This is a hard one. Oh. Alright. Trail brake this. Exhaust backfired. Holy shit. Get straightened up a little bit. Oh my god. We got low with that one. Oh, the GTIs. And the Audi. My man. The scooter gang, brother. Scooter gang. Woo! Oh, slow way down. Dropped her in the third. Oh, I think it's starting to sprinkle. Yeah, that's water coming off of the trees. Trying to conserve these brakes, bro. My clutch cable came disconnected earlier. It's kind of scary. Alright, he's standing on his brakes, so I am too. Bro, we are going. Oh my god. I hate the fact that it's raining like this. Mildly intimidates me, not gonna lie. Here we go. Alright, this is gonna be a sharp one right here, I'm calling it. Alright, trail brake into it. Go. That C8, that thing is sick. Alright, we slow way down for that one. I missed my clutch lever because I was so like hyper focused. Bro, it's raining on me so bad right now. I don't like this. Alright, we gotta wait a second. We're slowing way down. We're gonna pull off and wait on Devin, I think. There he goes. Bro, he's ripping.
Where we go? We got Mike.
What's up? Oh, dude. Bro, come on, bro. Yeah, it is. I'm kind of nervous, not gonna lie.
We need to go now. What is this? Something is coming. Goddamn.
this one, the Elsinore. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Alright, guys. I think we got it, dude. Just don't get anything too over your head now.
Yeah, it's wet.
I was gonna say we gotta be a little more cautious.
Yes, sir.
Alright, Devin's coming. Alright, shut my visor. I'm not either. Bro, it would do this to us, man. That's stupid. Yeah, we did. Oh. Now we're getting rained on. It would have been just a few minutes earlier. I see you. I'm hitting this one second gear. I smelled marijuana. Yeah, I was gonna say I'm running about 30-ish. Oh, dude, check that out. Hell yeah. It is. I gotta fuck with it, not gonna lie. It looks wild. My God. Alright. You good up there, brother? Alright, good shit. Dude, I'm gonna say I'm already fucking wet. My upper body's not that wet since I threw that poncho on, but I had the pants, but I wasn't trying to wear those on the Grom. Like, especially up here, they're way too baggy for me. Oh my God, dude. It's getting hard to see now. I hope Devin's okay. I don't know where. Oh, I see him. He's behind us. I was gonna say, I trust Devin. Alright. Oh, you're good, dude. My stuff's in like a semi-waterproof pocket. Shade. Bro, yeah, they are. I don't either. I've got the Pirelli Angels on mine. Or at least on the rear. Our front's still the stock. On Groms. Not gonna lie, this is a little scary. Because I can't really see all that good, so I'm not either. Oh fuck, there's a nice wash in the road. Bro, I'm getting soaked right now. It is raining his ass off. Oh my god. Dude, me too. Holy shit, dude. Stay in your fucking lane, guy. God. Yeah, he was like coming right at me. I feel that. I hope all my stuff's okay. Oh, dude, that's what I'm worried about too. A little bit. Not gonna lie, dude, my visor's fogging up really fucking bad right now. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, I'm rolling still. That's, I'm gonna say that may be the title. I think God is kind of slacking up. Yeah. Groms in the rain on the fucking dragon, bro. Who would have thunk it? Had to be real gentle with the braking. Oh yeah. I know, dude. My ass is soaked right now. Dude, yeah. My legs are soaking. I thought he didn't like riding in the rain. Oh my god. I'm bogging down fourth right now. Back into third so I can catch up a little. Oh fuck. Ooh, that was a sharp one. I was not expecting that. I was not expecting that. I got a little too over my head. Yeah, no, I'm good. No, I got scared I was going to. Yeah, I am too, honestly. Bro, we have shredded it. That first little bit, dude, we were ripping. Going left? Okay. Right. Okay. Alright, sorry. I didn't quite see where y'all were.
Very good. I'm wet as fuck. Yeah.
That M3. That's badass.
Yeah. I'm not complaining, dog. Bro, who can say they've hit the dragon on Groms in the rain?
You good, buddy? Dude, this has been sick.
I ain't gonna tell you my slowest speed.
Bro, I ain't even gonna lie. One of the corners I was down in second. I didn't give a fuck.
I think I went like 14 one time.
Jesus.
And I did not get one single fuck.
Bro, there ain't no shame in it. Better take a look at the scenery, fellas. Look at this. Bruh. It's so pretty. Ah! I lost my balance. Oh my god. It's all good. We'll catch you. Oh, you're good. Bet. I'm coming, brother. No, fuck that, dude. Damn, everybody out of nowhere is just like, fuck it, we're ready to go. I was not expecting that. I just hooked up my GoPro to the charger, too. Yeah, because, like, I think I've got battery life, but I don't know. Yeah, it is. That's what I'm saying. Alright, this is going to be a hard one. Too bad. I don't either. Dude, he said it with his dog. That's sick. Bro, what the fuck? I think so. Yeah, they smiled and waved, so I assume so. Those are our guys we met the other day. I do too. If it wasn't wet, I would have overtaken them right there. And he's crossing the yellows. This is so stupid. Alright, we got a hairpin coming up. I hear that. Alright. How unaware can you be? Do something. I did too. Fuck. Bro, you've had like 20 chances to hit a pull off. That's how I feel. Fuck that guy. He's not doing a very good job of it. You're not impressing us, dog. I'm gonna assure you. David. Oh fuck. Pull over, dude. That was all of it? I do too. I do too. That was badass, guys. We fucking survived. Woo! We did it, fellas. That's amazing. Our first time on the Dragon in the rain, and we still hit it. Hell yeah. Oh fuck. You're good, brother. Oh fuck.
You good? You good?
Granny, y'all good? Fuck. Fuck.
Good, Devin? Fuck.
Bro, my fucking bike's done. Fuck. Hey, I would go down there.
Good. Good, Devin?
Fuck, dude.
I'm good.
Hey, I was staying around the corner.
Yeah, let's get out the road. Let's get out the road. Let's get out the road.
Well, guys, that was wild. They had a little bit of a tumble. Alright. It is what it is, though. I narrowly avoided it somehow. I'm glad, though. That's officially the second wreck that I've witnessed. I didn't get to see that one, but oh man, I hate that for the both of them. God, I hate that for the both of them, but that's alright, bro. We're learning. We're all still learning. Why are we locking down the brakes? Hey, bro, shit happens, dude. Like, pretty much everything on his bike's still good. Like, I'm pretty sure mine's more clapped than his right now, and I haven't wrecked on road. But I say we'll talk to him and stuff. I'll try to convince him like we need to get out.